Okay, children, fine. I can see you all. Okay, now do one thing, children. Open your notebook. Write date and classwork in your math notebook, children. Come on, take out your math notebook. Write date and classwork there. Yes, children, take out your math notebook. Write date and classwork. And now we'll move on to the next segment. We will learn how to add two-digit number with a one-digit number. Okay. We will learn how to add a two-digit number with a one-digit number now. Okay, children? So, what you all have to do is, first I'll give you 2-3 examples, okay? After that, you all have to note down the questions, which I'll be sharing with you. And so now I'll start sharing my screen with you all. Okay, children? Now, see here. First, what we have to do is, we have to add a two-digit number with a one-digit number. We have to add a two-digit number with a one-digit number. Okay? So I'll give you a few examples. Fine. Now, children, first I'll explain two-digit. I'm writing here a number 42. Okay? So, children, please keep on looking on your screen. AVK Ganesh, please pay attention. So this is one example. Number is 42. 42. And here, if we talk about this number, we have here two digits. We have here two digits. First is 4 and second one is 2. So how many digits do we have? We have here two digits. That is 4 and 2. And here 4 and 2 together makes 42. If we talk about the number 1, 3, 13, again we have here two digits, 1 and 3. So again these two digits, 1 and 3 together makes 1, 3, 13. Okay, children. Now if I'll write here number 7, only 7 is there. So here we have only one digit. Here we have only one digit, right? So this is a one digit number. Suppose I'm writing here 5 now. Again here we have only one digit. So 5 is a one digit number. Now I'm writing here 0. Again there is only one digit. So it's a one digit number. But if I write here 3, now this number is 30, 30, 30, 30. And in this number we have two digits. First one is 3 and the second one is 0. So 30, 30 is a two-digit number. Okay, children? Likewise, if I write here 4, so in 4 there is only one digit. So 4 is a one-digit number. 4 is a one-digit number. Now, we will learn how to add a two-digit number with a one-digit number. Okay? So see, children, your math notebook looks like this. Boxes are there, no? Right? Your math notebook looks like this. So in one box you will write ones and the second box you will write tens. Okay, children? Now, see here. Suppose the number is 26 plus 3. You have to add number 26 and plus sign is there now, children. This is plus sign, and plus sign means you have to combine or join, or you can say you have to add the given numbers. This plus sign shows that you have to combine, or you can say you have to join or add the given numbers. Okay, so the first number is 26 and the second number is 3. So what you will do, children, first you have to arrange these numbers vertically. You have to arrange these numbers vertically. So what is the first number here? Here first number is 26. So what you will do, in ones place you will write 6 and in tens place you will write 2. Why? See here, because if we talk about the number 26, in ones place we have 6 and in tens place we have 2. Okay, so that's why in ones place we will write 6 and in tens place we will write 2. After that, what is the next number? After plus sign, the next number is 3. And see here children, 3 is only a one digit number. So 3 has only number in ones place. So what we will do, we will write this 3 in ones place below 6. Okay, then what we will do, we will put a plus sign. Okay, we will put a plus sign, and plus means you have to join or you have to add, or you can say you have to combine the given numbers. Okay children, now see here, what you will do is, we always start adding the number in ones place. First we will add the number in ones place. See here children, in ones place we have 6 and 3. 6 and 3. So what you will do, you will start counting after 6 and you will count till, sorry, you will start counting after 6. Okay, and take out your 3 fingers because the down number is 3, so you have to take out 3 fingers and start counting after 6. Okay, after 6 when you will count, you will have 7, 8 and 9. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So in ones place you will write down 9. And see here children, in tens place below this 2 there is no number. So what you will do, you will just bring down the number. You will just bring down this 2 in tens place. So the number is 2929. So the number is 2929. Okay, I'll give you one more example. Suppose this time you have to add 82 plus 6. Again I'm repeating children, this plus symbol means you have to add something, you have to combine something, or you have to join. Here you have to add these two given numbers. Okay children, so again we will see here. See children how I am writing, and you likewise only you have to write in your math notebook. Okay, in one box you will write only one number. Yes, so first we will write here ones and tens. Okay children, and again see here, in ones place we have 2 and in tens place we have 8. If we talk about the number 82, and 6 is a one digit number, so 6 is at one place. So see here children, first we will write the number 82. In tens place we will write here 8, as you all can see, and in ones place we will write here 2 plus. After this plus sign, what is the number? Number is 6. So we will write this 6 in ones place, and here we will put plus sign. Okay children, now what you have to do is, see here children, the number, if you will see the first number in one place, that number is 2. Okay, so what you will do, you will start counting after the number 2. Okay, and how many fingers you will take out? You will take out 6 fingers. Down number is 6, right? So after 2, start counting children. You have to count 6 after 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what you will do, in ones place you will write 8, and in tens place what you will do, below this 8 there is no number, so you will write down this 8 as it is. So the answer is 8, 8, 88. 8, 8, 88. Children, please, if you have any doubt, then you can raise your hand now. If you have any doubt, children, you can raise your hand. Okay. So now you don't have any doubt. So we'll move to the next one. Yes, children. Now I'm sharing my screen with you all. You have to note down these questions in your notebook. Okay. Just do one thing. Wait, you will note down these questions and you will not leave any space. Wait, children. Do one thing. I'll be writing down these questions and you just copy. Okay. So children, after writing classwork, leave 2 lines and write down the first question. Write down the first question, children. First bit. Your first bit is, children, please write down the first question. And your first bit is, you have to add number 46 and 3. Children, write down the question. 46 plus 3. Question is 46 plus 3. Write down this question in your notebook, children. Write down the question in your notebook. 46 plus 3. Your notebook looks like this. So again, I will draw some boxes. Okay. Children, note down this fast in your notebook. Yes, children, number is 46 plus 3. Okay. So again, what you have to do is, you have to arrange these numbers in ones and tens columns. So in one box, write ones. In the second box, write tens. Okay. And again, see here, in ones place we have 6 and in tens place we have 4. So we will write this number 46. After plus sign, what do we have? We have 3 here and 3 is in ones place. So we will write here 3 in ones place and we will put plus sign here. Okay. Yes, children. Then again, you have to draw a line. Yeah. Now, Aryan, tell me answer for this one. Aryan.
Which one, ma'am?
This question which I'm writing on my board. 6 plus 3, how much, Aryan?
6 plus 3.
Start counting after 6.
9, ma'am. 9.
Very good. 6 plus 3 is 9. And what shall I write in tens place?
4 as it is.
4 as it is. Very good, Aryan. Very good. So, children, the answer is 4, 9, 49. Please write down this in your notebook, children. Please write down this question in your notebook. Quickly. Is there anyone who is still writing? You can raise your hand. Because we have to move to the next question now. Is there anyone who is still writing? No. Okay. Fine. Now I'll write the next question. Children, please again leave one line and write down next question. Next question is 21 plus 5. 21 plus 5. Children, note down the question. Question is 21 plus 5. Again, you have to arrange these numbers in ones and tens columns. See here, children, if we talk about the number 2, 1, 21, in tens place we have 2 and in ones place we have 1. So we will write here in tens place 2 and in one place 1. After plus sign we have number 5. Right, children? We have number 5. So below this one, I will write here 5 in ones place and then I will put here plus sign. Okay, children? Then you have to draw a line. You have to draw a line here. Yes. Dhriti Rathi? Dhriti
Yes,
Rathi, tell me answer for this one. First, we will add the number in ones place. And in ones place, we have 1 and 5. So, Dhriti, tell me 1 plus 5 is how much?
Yeah. 6 to 62.
No, 1 plus 5, tell me first.
1 plus 2, 3, 4,
1 plus 5 is?
2.
Dhriti, first tell me in ones place, what shall I write? 1 plus 5 is how much?
5 और 1 कितना होता है?
5, 6.
तो बोलो मैम को.
6.
6, very good. And Dhriti, in tens place, what shall I write?
2.
Very good, 2. So the answer is 2, 6, 26. Very good. Okay, children, please note down this fast in your notebook. Those who are still writing, write down fast. So 21 plus 5 is 26. Okay? Yes, children, now we'll move to the next question. Akshay, Lakshmi, write down this question fast in your notebook. Okay, very good. Yes, now children, we'll move to the next question. I'll write next question. Now see bit is, you have to add the number 72 plus 5. Children, write down the next question. 72 plus 5. Okay. 72 plus 5. Now again you have to see what is the number in ones place and what is the number in tens place. Then you have to arrange these numbers vertically. Now if we talk about the number 72, children, in tens place we have 7. So we will write down 7 there. And in ones place we have 2. Right? After this plus sign we have only one digit number, that is 5. So in ones place below this 2 we will write 5 and then we will put a plus sign. Okay? Now you will draw a line. And Aniksai, you tell me answer for this one, Aniksai. Aniksai. Aniksai.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anik, tell me 2 plus 5 how much? What shall I write in ones place? 2 plus 5 how much? Anik, start counting after 2. Take out your 5 fingers.
5 fingers.
After 2, count.
6, 7.
No. See, Anik, in ones place we have 2 and 5. So start counting after 2. Take out your 5 fingers. Come on.
Yeah, ma'am.
After 2, count.
5.
No, Anik, first show me your face. Anik, first show me your face. I'm unable to see your face.
3.
Yes. 3.
3. 4.
Very good. Then
5.
yes.
6.
Yes.
7.
Very good. So 2 plus 5 is 7. Very good. So in ones place we will write 7. And Anik, in tens place what shall we write?
Hello.
Anik, in tens place we have only 7 here, no?
Yeah, ma'am.
And we don't have any numbers. So what we will do? We will write down this 7 as it is. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now children, write down the answer. Answer is 7, 7, 70. 7. 7, 7, 70. 7 children. Please write down the answer. Yes. Now we'll move to the next question. Write down D bit, children. Only 1 minute is left. This is 40 plus 8. Children, write down fast. 40 plus 8. Question number 4. D bit is 40 plus 8. Again, children, you have to arrange these numbers vertically. Right? And you have to see what do we have in ones place and what do we have in tens place. See here, children, number is 40 plus 8. See now, if we talk about number 40, in ones place we have 0. So we will write here 0 in ones place. And in tens place we have 4. So below this 10, we will write 4. Okay. Now after this plus sign we have 8, and 8 is a one digit number. So we will write that 8 in ones place, and we will put a plus sign here. Okay. Ashwita Nalla, you tell me now. 0 plus 8 is how much? See, if we will add 0 to any number, that number will not change. So 0 plus, very good. So 0